What's good, everybody? This is your girl Sweebellajae, and it is day 15 of the 30-day sewing challenge. And if you want to see what we're making next, then stay tuned. So before I show you what we're doing next, I want to show you what I received as another birthday gift from Brenda Kaufman, who is my knitting friend and who taught me how to sew by hand quilting. She gave me this fabric. She didn't want it. Isn't this funky? Kind of Saved by the Bellish. And there's a tag in here somewhere. It says that it is supposedly 5 yards, 100% polyester. I can think of doing crazy things with this. It could be a background. It can also be to cover the window. It can also be a house coat, like a simple, just an overcoat, just something to throw on, you know. I don't know. Let me know, what would you do with this? Please let me know. What would you make with this? She also gave me a tin full of scraps. And out of that tin, we are going to do the green scene with a raccoon in the middle. Yes, look at this little bugger. So I figured, why not the green scene today? And we're going to work that out. And this is a lot more fabric in there, a lot more scraps. So thank you, Brenda, for sharing with me. That was great. And I have another gift coming. And once I, oops, sorry about that. Once I get it, I will showcase it. So let's get to sewing, shall we? Before I forget, yeah, let's get to sewing. Excuse my belly fat. Can't worry about it today. So right now I have my peeking shears, my nippets, my little thread nippers, another pair of scissors, the fabric, some pins if you want, go right ahead. I'm gonna be eyeballing everything. And this is my baby. Hi, honey. So now I want to sew around this raccoon. I definitely want to. I have 2 pieces here. So we're going to use this. I think we're going to do green around him. I think that'll be cool. Not unless we put some zebra prints, but I figured green would be nice. Yes, I want to do green. So let's get this going, shall we? Right sides facing each other. And let's get to sewing. I want to also welcome all my new subscribers from Amore Fabrics who came over and who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and the support. And definitely join me. You can sew by hand or by machine, whichever you feel comfortable with. There's no wrong way as long as you get the job done. We're doing a 1/4 inch seam allowance, making sure that the fabric does not go past the presser foot. Sometimes we do have to go past it because of the unevenness. But you know what? Let's do this. this is what we have. A portrait of a raccoon. I just thought it was it called out to me. I said, why not do some green, even though it's such a dreary day here in the city? But look how beautiful this is. And this is great to put in a frame if you want to do some artwork and hang it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow, day 16. And let's see if we're going to add to this, which I think we should. We have some more florals and more greens. Stay tuned.